Hi guys, we're going to see an Airbus A330 Jet 2 take off now from my hotel room, Radisson Blu. Let's go. It is so... Why are you blurry? Yeah, thank you. Somewhere over there. It should be on the runway. Yep, there it is. Got it. We're off. Jet 2 A330. I think it's a Summit. Operated by Air Tanker. There's Manchester Control Tower. Up it goes. There's a Dreamliner. Gonna have to zoom out for this. And back in. Where is she? Come on. There she is. So now we're going to be waiting for a bit more planes to take off. There is about 3 EasyJets over there now. Yes, 3 that I have to film. Yay! I'm doing it like this because I don't know how to bring videos together. I'll cut it for a U for now. There's a Ryanair tail over there. Don't know if you can see it, but there it is. But I can. Okay, I'll cut it till I see an EasyJet. Oh my god. Bro forgets it's still recording. By the way, they've all got to wait 3 minutes for some stupid reason. Can't just go phew. But I do get it. It's the... Oh, it's gone. It's the thing of other planes. Like that. Hang on. I think it's coming now. Okay, I'll cut it till I actually see it. I am now in this other side of the window. Oh, Sun Express coming in. Lucky I was filming. Where is it? There it is. I reckon that's from Dalaman or something. Oh, there's a Qatar A350 tail. So stupid me's just found out that Jet 2's been delayed for a bit on the runway because of that. I've got something checking over something. I'm going back to this room. We have 2 windows. We have more planes over there. Another A330 and more round that corner. I can see a Pakistani Air as well. Don't know if that's how you say it. By the way, I'm not racist, it's just an airline. EasyJet's coming, just seen it. Let's see it. I can see it, there it is. That is an A320-200. Looked like a 251 Neo then. But it's not. With its little gears down still. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. I forgot I was zoomed in. I'm not a very good video person. This time. Goodbye, EasyJet. Now another 3 minutes time. Innit? And it's still recording. Stop it. Bro forgot it was recording again. Very simple of me. There's that Sun Express from a better view. Oh my god. I'm gonna push it against the window. No, you ain't gonna be moving on it. I've lost the bloody thing now. Where is it? Oh my gosh, where did that come from? Never seen that. A Loda A322 251 Neo, I think. I'm not sure. This time I will cut it. Something's sat over there, sorry for the blurriness. Oh. I think that's taking off. Yes, it is. Gosh, that went early. That's a Neo. 251 Neo. I-80Z. Right, you're gone. It's an Express. Where are you? There you are. Gosh, you're close, aren't you? This is the distance of it from my room. Looks really close, doesn't it? Turkish Airlines. Right there. Probably going to Istanbul. By the way, I cut it. EasyJet's coming. An EasyJet. I can't say I've ever seen any livery. That's all of it. I know. Loads of. Can't say I've seen a livery on an EasyJet for a while. Where's it? There. I suck at stupid things. I'm gonna cut it. I need to stop reminding you. Hello, Sun Express. Yes, I've zoomed in for you lot. EasyJet taking off as well. Let me just quickly get you. Zoom back out so it gets the lens. Where is it? You should be coming up. Yeah, there you are. Got you. AV2200. Oh my gosh, that's Turkish Airlines. Goodbye, EasyJet. Hi, Turkish Airlines. Don't know if you can see it, but there's a baggage. Oh, stop going blue. There's a baggage belt there. Ah, and there's a lovely Jet 2 tail I can see reversing out with a pushback plug, obviously. Jet 2 holiday landing. Yes, I will be on a plane tomorrow. There it is. I have a fear of flying, by the way. Maybe you don't hate me, but I do have a fear of flying. Anyway, I'm going to end it there now. Say goodbye to Seagull. If you can see it. And I'm going to end it there now. Thank you for watching. I hope you watched the whole thing. Make sure you subscribe to me, because I'm really trying to get at least 2k. I'm not begging. 2k, please. Make sure you like the video, and I'm going as soon as that Ryanair takes off. Don't worry. I'll just do one more for you, because you're all going to be like, why did you film one more? Blah, blah, blah. What does the Ryanair go in? You should film it. That's what I'm doing, just for you lot, because I love you all. Where's it gone? Thought that was it then. And that Jet 2 over there is absolutely screaming. You could shut up, you know. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.